Alright, you guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box. We're going to do box 1314 Upper Deck Artifacts at the end of the last night is March 18th between the times of 9:45 and 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Last time it was when Big Jets ended at 10:14 and 13 seconds. That's a limited box. Alright, right here. Current eBay time is 6:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on the 19th. Going to do the break right now. Upload to YouTube and circulate links ASAP. Let's get going. Serial number is NE200 142 192. Remember the 192 here. I'll open up the webcam. We'll be upside down just the way the sticker is on the box of artifacts. 200 142 192. There you go. Because of course they seal box. Oh, artifacts. I want to thank everyone for taking part in this break. Wish you guys good luck in this as well as all your future breaks. Let's get rolling. Good luck, guys, on artifacts. Base cards do not ship. One, we have a Jaden Schwartz out of 9.99 for the St. Louis Blues, Team Canada. I like artifacts this year. Been a good product. Rookie Redemption, Red 239. I'll look it up, see who that is on the checklist at the end of the video. Red 239. I'll show that to you. Red 239. Out of 25, number 22 out of 25, gold artifacts, Jonathan Toews for the Chicago Blackhawks. 22 out of 25. Not a bad hit. Something patchy. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, Team Canada. Brian Trottier for the New York Islanders out of 75, jersey and patch. Trottier for the Islanders, emerald. Jersey and patch. Pretty good hit with the Isles. We have for the San Jose Sharks, Tommy Wingels, artifacts. Tommy Wingels for the San Jose Sharks. Frozen artifacts for the Florida Panthers, Peter Mueller. Dual jersey, Florida, Peter Mueller. We have a red rookie out of 299. Ruby rookie, Victor Faths for the Ducks out of 299. Tundra Tandems for the Ottawa Senators. Alfredson and Greening. Dual jersey. And Alfredson is with Ottawa on this card. I'm just double checking it right now. We have Calvin Pickard for the Colorado Avalanche Artifacts rookie out of 9.99. Last pack. Good luck, everybody. Then I'll look up the Red 239 here. I'll show you guys in a sec. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, we have a Brett Connolly out of 299 Team Canada Artifacts for Tampa. Just give me half a second here. I'll pop open the Artifacts checklist. 1314 Artifacts Redemption checklist. There we go. Okay. Make that a little bigger for you, if I can. It won't let me. Alright, right here, Red 239, Martin Jones, LA Kings. LA Kings. So that's it for the break. I want to thank everybody once again for taking part in it. Again, remind you guys, I will be live tonight doing card erasers, if anybody's interested. That is Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Have a good one, everybody.